Tools: Phillips screwdriver and double-end nut tightening wrench. Take off the bottom cover of the aircraft. Pull out the connector of the level gauge on the distribution board. Use a double-end nut tightening wrench to unscrew the two screws connecting the spreading tank T and the aircraft, and separate the T. Take out the entire spraying tank and put a stopper in the hose of the aircraft. Insert the cable of the spreading system into the line card on the bottom of the aircraft and connect it to the BS port of the aircraft breakout board, and make sure that the connection is secure. Insert the spreading system into the aircraft. Pay attention to the angle of placement. Arrange the spreading cable and snap it into the buckle. Install the bottom cover of the aircraft back to the aircraft and make sure that the installation is firm and there is no gap. Install the fender pair, insert it from the edge of the spreader base and clamp it tightly. Then lock it with a Phillips screw. Install fenders in the landing gears. Insert the battery into the aircraft and turn it on. Check on the remote control to see if the spreading system is recognized, and upgrade the firmware of the aircraft.